ass niggas, and I hope you never thinking otherwise. So
hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look at the camera though, y'all. I'm so tea. So today is Christmas Eve, you guys. Me and the boys, we literally just made it to my mama's house in Memphis a few hours ago. No, not a few hours ago. Maybe like an hour and 30 minutes ago. And at 12, we are going to open gifts right now. My mama got me sipping on this wine.
What's up, Kylie?
Kylan.
Yeah, she need to sit down and sleep. It's cold.
Are you gonna get up?
I have cooked this. Don't.
His
He
hair
been
looking
walking.
mess.
He in the kitchen walking by himself. I'm like, boy.
Yeah. She gave me this ugly old glass. I'm playing.
Oh, ugly glass. It's not wrong with that, girl.
Yeah.
You come to a wine glass.
Last time we both had that one though, remember?
The picture on the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Show it to him. Show him the picture on the refrigerator.
Yeah, let me show them.
Yep. With the same glass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we both had the same glass.
I told you.
Look, y'all. This was last year for Christmas. Let me show y'all the tree though. And her Christmas tree so cute. It's cutesy.
Yeah.
It would have been better if I did, but they did.
Oh, it still look good. You still got these. I forgot.
See,
My uncle. Yep.
Oh.
that's my brother. That's your uncle. You named after my brother, Lord.
And that's what I was trying to tell him the other day, because he was like, I want to change my name. And I was like, you got a special name though. Why would you want to change it? And I was trying to explain to him how my uncle, you know, passed.
You put Zoe in.
She's drinking.
She drunk. She's super thirsty. Elle been worrying her to death.
My mama drive be showing her so much love. Y'all don't see all these cards over here. It's 11. No, it's 11:26. It's not 11:38. My mama, she's passing out our stockings. Hold on. I'm trying to. You flirt so much. Everybody got their stockings. Lawrence, where your stocking is? Kyla, come here.
I got 10.
Katie Cat, how's the sleigh looking? Oh, feng shui late, Lars. All right, let's go. I lost all track of time.
How you know how much money you got? You gonna let somebody ride?
It's less than an hour before the sun rises.
Christmas holiday. What? It's a joyous thing. Let the angels sing. 'Cause we're together. And let it slip away. Go outside, it's raining when our bodies
Bulldozer. Canyon.
It's Christmas
Christmas
Smile.
candy.
Say cheese. Kylie,
Kylie,
you
look
see
at your
the
mama.
right? You see the lights? This cute mini
Ship.
Titanic.
Right. Sailboat.
Next year, Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Now that he is up, so next Christmas I'm not all alone, boy. So tell me if you really love. Don't make me fall in love if you won't be here next year. So tell me if you really care. 'Cause I can't give it all if you won't be here next year. I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas night. But I knew you'd say I wasn't letting it once it's by my side. No, I need someone to hold, be my fire in the cold. But it's hard to tell if this is just a flavor, if it's true. Now that he thinks so next Christmas I'm not all alone. But Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. If it won't be here. Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, jingle, jingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside. So nice and rosy and comfy and cozy, oh we. We're snuggled up together like two birds off a feather would be.
Hey you guys, so I'm sorry, it's literally the new year and I have not recorded. It's the 21st, it's January 21st and it's currently 8:04. It's a Wednesday. Happy New Year's you guys. I'm sorry I haven't picked my camera up and my stuff is literally on, my camera is on 10% and I don't know how it's on 10% and I have not picked my camera up, but I got PJs on right now. Me and my homegirl, we're gonna go bar hopping. Not bar hopping, but we're gonna go to a bar and drink in our PJs and then go to work. So basically we just pre-gaming before we go to work. And I got some bad news. Like I got some real bad news, you guys. Why did my home club close? DGs, it freaking closed and I've been depressed. I'm not gonna lie, I've been depressed. And y'all might see, I had got a new tattoo. It's still healing, so it look yucky right now. But yes, I'm so depressed. Like, it closed. Like, I'm not even from out here, but that was like my home club. It was my home club. Like, I've made so much money there. I remember I used to complain about that club. Like, they always gave me a reason to freaking complain about that club, but then it ended up shutting down because I'm assuming one of the dancers, this happened back in 2024. They had sued the club, I guess, because this NFL player had came up in there and threw like 50K, 40K, and they said it was like 30, 40 girls over there or whatever. And at the end of the night, the old management, they ended up like taking a certain amount from each dancer off the back, and they were not supposed to do that. And I've heard like she didn't even like allow them to take some money from her, like get a cut from her or whatever. She just walked out and she still ended up suing them. It's just like a lot. It's a lot that happened, and I don't think they're gonna open back up because it said they were like shut down permanently, and it hurt my feelings. I didn't expect it. It happened at the wrong time, so I basically just been bouncing around to see like with what club is gonna be my home club. Last Friday I ended up working at this club in Euless in Fort Worth, and then I've been at the after hours club. I told y'all I've been going there, but it's like an after hours club to me. It's not a club that I can go and have the same schedule as I did at the main club that I was working at. It's just a lot that I'm trying to figure out at the moment. And yeah, today is Wednesday, so I'm going to the one in Euless right now. Well, later on after me and my homegirl are done pre-gaming. I had got my hair done today, a little cute bun to the back with this bang. These PJs came from my homegirl MJ Clocky. They're so cute. Thank you. It was a Christmas gift. And what's funny, I also got her some PJs. I don't think I vlogged in my last video what I had got her for Christmas, but I definitely got her a pair of PJs and something else. But anyways, I'm gonna have to charge my camera. I'm taking y'all along with me when we go to the bar to drink, and also when I go to work. I'm super excited. Like, y'all have been running me up in my last video, y'all. Oh my goodness. Like, yes. So right now I'm currently at 7,200 subscribers, and I dropped the last video 8 days ago, and it's literally been going up since. It's at 32K views. Like, oh my goodness, somebody's calling me, y'all. Hello.
Hello?
Hey, what's
What you
up?
doing?
Nothing. Vlogging. Yeah. What's up? What are you doing? What? Oh my fucking god! Where you at? Where you at? Hey you guys, so it is the next day. It's, excuse me, Thursday, January 22nd. It's currently 10:16. So I literally just got back to the house. This kind of threw me off because I had woke up, got the boys ready for school, took them to school, and I didn't even get a chance to come back home. I literally was like 7 minutes away from home when I got a text from the administrator at Kylan's school saying that all children needed to be picked up immediately due to, I don't know what happened. They won't tell us what happened, but it was something out of their control, I guess. So that kind of confused me because I literally had just dropped him off and I had to go back and get him. He fell asleep in the car. He's asleep right now. I told y'all me and my homegirls, we were supposed to go to look at me. We were supposed to go to a bar in our PJs or whatever, but my friend, he was at an Airbnb because it was his homeboy birthday. So he basically was like, pull up, you know, you could pregame here or whatever. So we pulled up over there, we pregame, took a couple shots, and then we went to Euless to go work at the club. So when we first pulled up to the club, I already was like, yeah, the parking lot was giving dry. Like, it wasn't nobody there. So we go inside, do a walkthrough. It's really nobody in there. So we sat in the dressing room for a minute deciding whether or not if we should just go ahead and clock in or not, because tip out was 107 at the time, and we really wasn't. Me anyway, I was like, I didn't want to pay it when I know I can go to the other club and only pay $68 to work. So we ended up staying there and getting another shot. We got there around 11:30, and then people started to come in like around 1 o'clock. So by the time we decided to stay, like, we should have went ahead and clocked in. It honestly was like too late to just pay the 107 to work, because that means this club closes at 2. We would only have 1 hour to work. We decided to leave. Unfortunately, my homegirls, they don't work at the after hours club that I work at. So they was like, we could just try again tomorrow, you know, come super early and, you know, work or whatever. So I ended up going to the after hours club last night. I made it around 1:30, I believe. So I had like 2 hours and 30 minutes, you know, to do a little something. It was okay in there. It was people in there, but it wasn't a whole lot going on. Let me go and start straightening my money out so that I'm just not sitting here talking. When I first got there, it really wasn't no money. Like, yeah, it was people there, but they wasn't throwing no money. I got caught on stage, and this is where this little bag is from. I think y'all can see. This is for my stage set. But my homeboy at the end of the night had also passed me a stack of ones, and I put it in this bag. And then I also was in a section that ended up being like 100 and some change. I tipped everybody with the change I had left over from that bag. And my homeboy also Apple paid me for $100. I'm gonna show y'all when I finish straightening this.
Room full of beautiful women, but I'm on one. Room full of women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to us, draw the sea. Freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me. Rush, baby, just like Kamora Lee. So pretty, girl, you belong in the gallery. What's your fantasy?
So this ended up being the money from my stage set. How much y'all think this is? So I actually did. Wait, God, you want to sit right here? I actually did way better than what I thought I did, y'all. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 400. I had $93. That was almost a 100, but that's 493 plus this. I'm gonna show y'all. I don't want to show y'all who I got it from, but it says, I hope y'all can't see the name. It says $100. So also, if y'all want to count tip out, I had to pay tip out of the money that I made because I didn't have no cash. So I had to pay that, the $68, and I also tipped the sweepers, like, and the valet, like $20. So that was $88, but we're not even gonna count that. So basically, on a Wednesday night, we made, hold on, here go the brain farts, $593, which is not bad because I didn't think I even made that much, you guys. Today is Thursday. I'm definitely going to UList to see how it is there, and if like I don't end up making anything or whatever, I'm still going to the after hours club tonight. So yeah, let's just pray and wish and hope for a bigger bag tonight. And yeah, right now I'm gonna force Kylan because he just woke up, but I'm about to force him to go back to sleep with me. If not, he'll just be up watching Miss Rachel while I take a nap because I've only had an hour of sleep. I didn't get home until 5 something for real. And yeah, I basically had like an hour of sleep, so I'm definitely about to go to sleep, and I will get back with you guys tonight.
Centennial man, put the city on slam. She get trippy off Zans, lost 21 grams, and she did it on cam. Wasn't no video dance, make my own rules. I really don't pick, I just choose. I don't set things, I just shoot. Chopping his screw, I told her it's BYOB. That mean buy your own boobs. Put it on God, you don't wanna put me on top. Can't be put in a box, gotta move on the op. Never got the move on the drop. Niggas tryna move on the sky, and we move that deep. Tryna run down shit steep. Gotta act the fool, squad next city, no sleep. Back to the 713.
Oh, these are cute. I like these. Here.
And I was on this flight, man. No, the pilot ain't no flight plan. Can't believe whatever I'm saying. And they know whenever I land. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, you guys, so I'm currently waiting on my food, and I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be here, but I'm trying to decide what club I'm gonna go work in.
Heartbreak hotel, can't take no L's. Plug like AOL. You said that I ain't gon' sell. And then you hate yourself. She said I got it, nigga. I said I ain't gon' tell. 500 pounds, so it ain't no scale. I'm sick of the drink, the flipping the pain, flipping the grain, flipping the tank. My niggas gon' flame. Done with gang. Got your bitch on the plane. Spent 10 hours on this flight, man.
Hey you guys, so it is the next day. It's Saturday, January 24th. It's currently 1:42. Well, it actually was Friday, and I didn't realize that it was literally going on 2 o'clock in the morning. I thought it was like 11 something. I just finished editing the first portion of this video. Y'all are probably wondering like, oh Tati, why are you not at work? So if y'all haven't already heard, it was supposed to be a storm, a snowstorm coming through, and not just in Texas or Dallas, but across the US. And they were saying it's supposed to be heavy snow and like dangerous ice and stuff like this. I did hear about this days before this, and I kind of already had it in my head like, oh, I'm gonna stay home, I'm not going to work, I don't want to get stuck out there or anything bad to happen. So yes, I'm in the house for this weekend. It hasn't started snowing yet. It looks like it's still raining at the moment. I hope it's not as bad as everybody's saying that it's gonna be. Dallas had previous snowstorms that were really bad, like back in 2021. They were saying like the lights had cut out and they were off for like 2 weeks, and I don't have time for none of that. To be honest, I'm not even prepared for the lights to get cut out, but we definitely got food and water and stuff like that. But as far as like flashlights and candles, you know, I don't have none of that. So I'm just praying and hoping it's not even that bad for real. It seems like it's not going to be a lot of snow. It's just the ice is the problem. And I'm definitely not driving in it. I'm not going to attempt to drive in it. So yeah, I'm going to stay home. Like I said, I got some bad news, but I'm just not even really upset because I do have full coverage insurance. When I was leaving work last night, it was like around 4:40. Yeah, I had literally just pulled out the parking lot, you guys. And where I was at, It was like the road next to the freeway where like you're about to get on the freeway, but it was also a part where you can exit the freeway or whatever. And apparently there was a yield right there, and it was a lady in front of me driving. She had not only yielded, but she made a complete stop. And by the time I had seen that she had made a complete stop, I was really close to her, and I tried to prevent hitting the back of her car by swerving into the right lane, but I still ended up hitting her rear end, the right rear end of her. So I got damages in the front passenger side of my car, like where the light area is and stuff like that. I was able to drive back home. I'm thankful that it wasn't no serious. It's serious, of course, like my car is fucked up, but I'm just glad wasn't nobody injured, because she was damn near 70 something years old. I'm glad she's okay, and I'm also glad I'm okay, and I have full coverage insurance. So I was mad at the time, like I cried. I was like, oh my God, what the fuck. Today I was thinking about it, and I was like, dang, I kind of feel bad, because when I looked at her license, it said she was born in the 1950s. And I low-key, I don't want to say I was talking to her crazy, but I low-key was yesterday, because I just didn't understand. She made a complete stop, like yielding. Okay, you looking to see if any cars come in, you not completely stopping. So but I should have been paying more attention. So I'm not even like, I should have just been paying more attention. But I had called my insurance this morning and filed a claim. They said I will hear back from them in 24 to 48 hours or whatever. So I'm just waiting on that phone call so I can go ahead and get my baby fixed. I'm finna go start straightening my ones out, and y'all probably be like, oh my God, you're not freaking out. Like every time something happens, I'm always cool, calm, and collected about the situation. When it happened, I was like, oh my God. I was crying. I was panicking. But now I'm like just trying to think on the bright side of the situation. Like it could have been worse, Tati. It could have been worse. I'm not tripping. Like I got full coverage insurance. So like I'm good regardless. I just hate that it happens to my baby. Like, that's my fucking baby, y'all. That car is my baby. But she's gonna get fixed up. Yeah, I gotta straighten these ones. So yesterday, I did end up going to work around, I want to say 2, either 1 or 2. I can't remember. I went out to eat with my homeboy, and then after that, I ended up going to Seek and also Hide after that with my homegirls. My homeboy threw this on me, and then I also got a stack of ones from my other homeboy that just passed it to me. He didn't even throw it on me. It wasn't really that much going on last night.
Hey, with my crew, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her.
Is it me or these hoes just average? Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. Is it the way that I wear these glasses? Met him on April 6th. Got a 15, bought me a pack. I heard he be hard on bitches. Shit, I made him fall in love with savage. It's the fact that I'm hard on niggas. But no lie, you making me feel G. Got no type, but he say I'm the one. He must got a thing for real bitches. I know I can get a little crazy, but I love that you know how to deal with it. I need you to bear with me, baby. I ain't really used to no real nigga. You own me and I owe you too. I promise I'm not about to let up for nothing. I know I be nagging sometimes. Shit, put dick in my mouth, make me shut up or something. I promise to keep it tight. Every time gon' feel like a bird. You keeping me happy, you getting me deep. Gotta ask me who my surgeon.
Gotta say word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love.
So on a Thursday night, we ended up making only $243. Honestly, I would have kicked this money count to the curb, but I like to give real, raw, and uncut. I know y'all left the money counts. Just because it was a slow night, I don't want to be like, oh, I'm not doing the money count or whatever. But I'm not mad at it, because my first mind was to go to ULIS and work there It's okay. And I just hate that the storm situation is happening because I could have went to work. All of this is setting me back. And then my birthday coming up. Like, I'm supposed to be on a money run. I wanted to go to work tonight, tomorrow. And now it seems like I'm not going to be able to work until Wednesday. Because if the storm is really that bad, like everything, the roads are not going to be drivable until like next week. Because I'm damn sure, like, I don't even want to try to go drive. Especially with my car getting in that wreck yesterday. It's just a whole lot of shit setting me back right now, but I'm not gonna let that upset me. I don't know, but it's super late. It's already like 2:30 something. I am finna call it a night. I might finish editing this video. Since I'm not working this weekend, I don't even just want to wait until next week to get some more footage for this video. I kind of want to go and edit this video and drop it Sunday, but it's not long. That's the problem. When I was just editing it earlier, I think it's only 20 something minutes long, and when I add this footage, it might be 30, so that's not long enough to me. I know y'all like, you know, the vlogs to be longer or whatever. If y'all are in an area where it's storming, I hope y'all are okay and y'all have everything that y'all need for the storm and y'all are prepared. I pray that everybody is okay during the storm and nothing bad happens to nobody. I don't know when I'm gonna get back with y'all. It might be Sunday. I'm gonna probably do a Sunday reset, but yeah, I'll get back with y'all later. Guys, I'm back. I'm not sure when I was recording. I believe it was Friday, so it's going on 4 or 5 days later. It's Tuesday, January 27th. It's currently 9:27. I'm getting ready to walk out the door and take the boys to Frisco with the babysitter. Mind you, the snowstorm is still going on. It was supposed to end today. Basically, they were supposed to go to school tomorrow, but they're saying it's supposed to be some ice that's going on overnight or whatever tonight. So that's why they shut down school for tomorrow. But the freeways are literally clear. I have not been to work since Thursday, and y'all know bills got to be paid. My birthday is also coming up, but bills is the first thing on my mind. So yes, I'm going to work. Normally she would come to my house, but she doesn't feel comfortable driving out here, so I'm gonna drive there. It's only like 20 minutes away, and I started vlogging now because I'm not gonna drive in the car. I'm really gonna pay attention, stay off my phone, drive slow, take it easy. Even though they're clear, I still want to watch out for any ice that might be left on the roads or whatever. I pray that we make a bag tonight. I will be getting back with y'all when I make it to the club, so yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, I did want to get this on camera, so I'm driving. I'm currently on the tollway. I just finished dropping the boys off in Frisco. As you can see, the tollway and even the freeways, they're completely clear, you guys. I'm currently on the way to work. 28 minutes, so I'll get back with you guys when I make it. Hey you guys, so I did make it. It's currently 11:25. I can't record for too long because the music in the background, for some reason here, it's really loud. At my other club, you really couldn't hear it like that. I'm about to get on the floor. I got this little piece on, and I'm gonna let y'all know why I'm so covered up later on. But let's hope we make some money. Hey you guys, so it's currently 12:35. It's Thursday. It's the 28th, I believe. No, today is Wednesday. We had a successful Tuesday night, you guys. I am so happy that I went in, actually. We about to go ahead and start this money count, okay? Now I'm gonna tell y'all how it went. I literally have not had a good money count like this on camera in a minute. When I was not vlogging, them 3 weeks I went without vlogging, I actually had some good money counts for the videos. I just was not vlogging. But let's see. Over here, I took some out this bag already. and put in my bag. We got these bags, and then we got, yeah, some of these. This is already counted. This one is already blended up, and then we got another band, one that's already banded up, and some more ones. Let me make sure I don't got no more. I need a new bag. Don't mind my bag. She's beat up and towed up. But these are already straightened out. This looks like a decent amount, y'all. And then, oh yeah, this little bag. This little bag, y'all. I think this was like $200, this bag right here. And some of them are also straightened. Ooh, I see blues. I see another blue, period. I'm excited, you guys, because I have not been to work since Thursday. And I did good for it to be a Tuesday. I've been in the house and it just feels good knowing that I got out. It made some money. Snowstorm and all. Okay, so I gotta straighten all this, you guys. But y'all see. Y'all see. I'm gonna straighten it.
Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me?
Okay, you guys. So these are all the ones that I have straightened. I definitely made over $1,000 last night. How much y'all think this is? Not including the money I already got banded up in these 100s over here, but this right here, how much do y'all think this is?
I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody with my friend, going alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack the go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even get it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really.
Okay, guys, so on a Tuesday night, we ended up making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's $800. 9, 10, and then in leftover ones, plus these $2 bills, y'all. I haven't got no $2 bills in a long time. We made 93. So we made $1,093 on a Tuesday night, which I knew I made over $1,000, you guys, which is so good. I just went in there with the state of mind like, yes, I'm making a bag tonight. My goal was either 600 or 700. I'm happy about that. Yesterday was pretty decent, actually. Like, it started off slow. I ended up calling one of my regulars up in there last night. I was with him up until people just, started coming in as the time passed. And I'm not gonna lie, after 2 o'clock, it was definitely lit in there. The upstairs, it wasn't nothing going on upstairs, but the downstairs was definitely full. For it to be a Tuesday, you guys, and for it to be a snowstorm outside, they definitely came out and showed out everybody. I'm thankful. Tonight, let's pray that I make $1,000 tonight too, because I'm definitely going to work, baby. We finna just go on a run, you guys. Actually, I am going to end this vlog off here. I'm about to order some groceries. We need some stuff. I'm doing a delivery order, so I might do a haul. Yeah, so I'll get back with you guys later. Okay, guys, so that haul finally came in. Well, my groceries came in, so I'm about to do the haul. I got some orange juice, got some sweet tea, some ice cream. I got orange juice. Normally I get the big jug of the Mott's orange juice, but they're out of that as well. So I got 5 cases of these, I think. I got some wipes, needed some more of those. Barbecue sauce, I needed more condiment sauces. Some fruit snacks. I got Lawrence some lotion. Normally I get the Clean Comfort one for his body wash, but they ran out of that, so he got this.
Me? I got some of this one.
Yeah, that's yours. Needed. Let me smell this. I'm just addicted to cleaning. I'm addicted to smelling cleaning supplies and like laundry detergent and stuff. And this smells so good. Oh my god, I cannot wait to mop my floors with it. It smells so freaking good, y'all. Yes, I'm weird. I got some bleach. Needed this. Because I'm also gonna wash some wipes tonight. Needed some more ranch. I don't use this often because I don't be eating salads like that, but I'm craving a salad. So I'm gonna eat me a salad one day this week. Hot sauce, sour cream. Because I'm also thinking about making some steak and shrimp quesadillas. Needed some lemon pepper, some downy softener. Got this for the toilets, and needed some more bleach cleaner as well. Ketchup. I got like 4 different varieties of the Lunchables. We got the turkey. Yeah, this one is ham. This is nachos. And then the pizza. I got some more Tyson wings. We be fucking these guys up, I'm not gonna lie. I got cheese. I got the big thing of chicken nuggets because the last chicken nuggets I bought, it didn't even last a week. Got some more cheese. Normally I don't get this brand, but they were out. So I got this for the salad because I'm gonna make fried chicken salad. I got some steaks, some ribeye steaks for the steak and shrimp quesadilla. Got some more washing powder. I be running through a thing of washing powder within 2 weeks. Probably a week and a half, you guys. Like, that's ridiculous. We got some green grapes. These look good. Some purple grapes. This is for my salad. These the little tortillas for the quesadilla. Got some strawberries. I needed another toothbrush, and I just do not like electric toothbrushes. I prefer these. Some more toothpaste. I use this toothpaste. Needed some more. We needed some shampoo and conditioner. Got hella sponges. This is Kylan's. He got the hypogenic wash. I don't know how to say it, but for sensitive skin. I got a case of Sprite. Look, the Mavs is on there. They got the Mavs stuff on there. I'm gonna put this stuff away. I just wanted to do a little haul, y'all. But yes, I will be ending this vlog off here. Please don't forget to like this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.